Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing FLR Network, rewriting the rules. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2X package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with FLR in real time, what the official handles are saying. Let's find out. So as far as the official handle is concerned, it doesn't get any better than Hugo. So let's see what Mr. Hugo is doing and has been up to. Okay, Hugo reposted Santiago Velez. Wow, at Syndric.io, we are honored to see this organic video created by the community to educate users about XDeFi protocol champion. If you do not know, folks, FLR Network's DeFi ecosystem is growing as we speak. So I really like that we get videos on these. Let's see what this is. Okay, a walkthrough and tutorial of the XDeFi protocol decentralized futures trading platform. XDeFi has recently launched on the FLR network, providing an institutional grade futures trading platform. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. Let me open this, play this for you guys. Just a moment. Yeah, let me increase the volume because I sometimes forget it. Yeah.
Before we get into the walkthrough and tutorial of the XDeFi platform, let's talk about what XDeFi is. So I'm really excited to see products like this come live on the FLR network. It really adds credence and more credibility to what FLR is trying to achieve with their native data protocols. So seeing products like XDeFi, utilizing them and really bringing robust use cases to the FLR network is always a good thing. I'm always be excited about that. But XDeFi is a institutional grade decentralized futures trading platform. There's a lot within that, right? And when you say you're institutional, you know, institutions, they have laws, regulations, rules that need to be adhered to in order to operate legally, right? So how do you essentially bring institutional money on chain, and how do you make sure you're adhering to all those things that they care about while still maintaining decentralization? Well, Syndric Solutions, Santiago Velez, that team behind XDeFi, they came up with a solution called the SKYCT token, which basically solves the KYC problem that we have when it comes to inviting institutional money in and allowing them to operate legally on decentralized platforms. You know, this way we ensure that KYC has indeed been performed, and you know, there are pertinent information that has been verified, and these institutions can ease their anxiety of operating on a decentralized platform. And the way that XDeFi works, you know, for every position there is also a counter position that needs to be taken in order to facilitate and execute the trade. So what do I mean by that? When you take a long position on the platform or a short position, you are matched with an institutional partner behind the scenes that takes the counter side of that trade. So if you're taking a long, they'll take a short. If you take the short, they'll take the long of that same trade. And that is how you ensure liquidity is always available for executing trades and things of that nature. So in order to do that, knowing that the institutions, you know, are being matched with customers on trades when trades are executed, the institutional partners have to know that, you know, they're operating with legitimate people who aren't breaking any laws, aren't on any sanctions list, things of that nature. So when you complete the KYC process, you can't even use XDeFi until that process is done. So once that KYC process has been completed, once your SKYC token has been minted on your wallet's been verified, your information has been verified, you can execute trades on the XDeFi platform. Before we get
Folks, I really like the Flare ecosystem growing, projects being built on top of it, the DeFi of Flare growing, and a good blockchain has to have a good DeFi infrastructure and good passive income opportunities, and Flare has that. Flare has a lot to offer, to be honest, and I really like this community engagement, tutorials, walkthroughs. This is really great, the XDeFi tutorial and walkthrough. So shout out to Ace over here, ace.flare. This is great. Okay, what else do we have? Philip Koprivak, join us this Wednesday and explore how Flare seamlessly connects chains and powers applications using data from everywhere. Basically, it is playing with data, folks. It is playing with data, and it's trying to provide the best use cases by utilizing it. Imagine, let me open this up. Yeah. Imagine you just spent 2 hours watching these and then tinkering with the examples at our Dev Hub. You'll then be already quite equipped for most of the hackathons that we are participating in or hosting with competitive price pools. Grow with us. Flare Educate. This is really great, folks. The ecosystem of Flare is really complex, and the passive income, the rewards mechanism, staking, different stuff, delegating. So you need to educate yourselves, and Flare is doing a remarkable job in that. They've got this entire Flare Educate videos over here. You can check it out. Flare Education, FTSO Deep Dive, tokens and oracles, the EVM smart contracts, blockchain EVM smart contracts. Because Flare has so much to offer, the FTSO, Flare Data Connector, F Assets being a layer 1, having smart contracts, different projects being launched on top of it. It has got a lot of things going for it, folks. So this is why you need to educate yourselves. Anyways, look at this. This is Merligin, the trader. Flare is rewriting the rules for oracles, decentralized by design, secure enough for institutions, free to use forever. Now look at this, the 3 elements. It is decentralized, it is secure, everyone wants security, and institutions, obviously. Flare is targeting institutions, and institutions want a platform to be secure, for obviously, and it has to be low cost, that's for sure. So Flare Networks isn't just and layer 1, it is a hub for AI, big data, and next generation finance. Are you paying attention yet? So this is also a good title for this video, folks. Next generation of finance. Yeah, this also seems good. Rewriting the rules also seems good. Let's see. Anyways, what is this? A small video over here. Let's check this out.
Really like to see just like much better applications in blockchain. It's crap. Most of the time it's crap. We don't want to compete with Chainlink. We don't want to provide oracles to other blockchains. There will be nowhere else where you'll be able to rely on the Oracle and the TE network and pay for it all with one token. Everyone's focusing just on AI agents for this. And it's like, no, there's so many use cases. It's scary. There's huge gains to be made.
Yeah, Flare doesn't need to compete with any other platform. I think they need to just focus on their own development, their own building, because their own progress. Because ultimately, the traction comes slowly and gradually. So this is good. Okay, this is yet again Hugo Fillion over here. FDC will power F assets, XRP staking, and many more, and many other things as well. Look at this. Flare Data Connector mainnet launch soon. FDC isn't just another oracle. It brings external events and blockchain states onto Flare network. Basically, what is the data in other networks, in other blockchains, external events, it brings to Flare, basically, enshrined oracles. It has got intrinsic oracle mechanisms with network level security guarantees that, yeah, the data that they're bringing is accurate, and it can be relied upon basically. As attestation types expand, the potential use cases multiply exponentially, from cross-chain bridging and restaking to lending platforms, prediction markets, and RWA. FDC opens the doors of new markets for developers. I mean, this is awesome. Opening the doors. This is cool. Flare opening the doors. Yeah, it is trying to open different gateways in the world of DeFi, in the world of oracles, in the world of finance in general, folks. Okay, what else do we have? The staking protocol that Flare is collaborating on will allow both native XRP and FXRP to be staked to provide economic security to a service. This could be a new chain, layer 2, bespoke oracle, or even a decentralized AI protocol. The XRP stake to this service secures that protocol, establishing a market for security denominated in XRP and generating yield on XRP. You will be able to get a liquid staking token on Flare, which represents your staked XRP, with which you can do further financial operations. I mean, this is great. The F assets is one of the best use cases and use case provided to XRP, BTC, Doge. I really like this use case the best, to be honest, that Flare is at the moment is providing, because BTC, XRP, Doge, they are already worth trillions of dollars of market cap if combined together, folks. BTC alone is above trillion, so yeah. If we talk about XRP, it is a potential multi-trillion dollar asset. Obviously, it has room to grow a lot. Doge, if Flare can provide a use case, it can go and be much more than a meme. So I really like what Flare is doing by providing use case to these already established brands, folks. This is how big Flare is, and it is opening doors for a lot of these different projects, folks. And we're building next generation DeFi tech on Flare. Okay, what else do we have? Anything interesting? What is the community saying at the moment? Flare Silver Vault, $20 in Flares going to for lucky followers. Okay, giveaways. Monthly Flare airdrop can now be claimed. Okay, the current Songbird price is 0.00603 and the current Flare price is 0.02, almost 2 cents, which equates to a ratio of 3.40 Songbird to Flare. Okay. Breaking: institutional capital is coming to Flare networks. This also seems like a really good title for the video. Institutional capital is coming, opening the doors. I really like what the community, these titles that communities bring along, the statements. I really like it. It's about the best third party you could possibly want to build such a protocol, sharp economic minds, and deep industry relationships that is access to institutional capital. But I'll let marketing do its thing and not preempt the announcement. I really like this approach. Market should take care of itself via organic growth, organic activity. Forced marketing and forced advertisement before before a product launches or something happens, I think it creates a mess in the market. Although the price pumps, but then there is a mess, the price dumps, and we go through a long phase of corrections, consolidations. I think organic growth via developments is the best. So folks, what do you guys think about Flare Networks? Is it opening the doors for other projects in the world of finance? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.